In balance sheet, you have observed the number of asset account. You have seen in your balance sheet number of asset account. Examples of asset accounts are
Examples are asset accounts, utilities.
asset account.
Assets are examples of
In
asset
balance sheet.
account. In balance sheet is lands, buildings, supplies, office equities are the example of office equities.
Office
Equipments
equipment.
are the example of the assets.
Asset account.
Assets account.
A example of liability accounts.
Asset are may be defined as in a physical forms such as building, office equipment, land, and other are called assets. They are asset. On the other hand, they are not in physical form. Some examples: payment due to customers and investments in government's bonds. They are called asset. They are valuable things are included in assets. Sir.
Asset account. Example of revenue accounts. Example of revenue accounts. Income accounts. Example of
In the revenue account, we described what we have the income, net income, and what we have earned in the year or month. That is operations,
right.
which we will call the operations of what we have to do in these days. That's all.
Simply define the rules of debit and credit.
Debit and credit.
Simply.
In the accounts, the debit and credit also called the left side and right side.
Right.
Debit side, left side and
Debit
right side.
and credit are two sides of account.
Sides of accounts.
Okay.
Debit side is left side of account, and credit side is right side of account.
Right.
The debit side mostly when we describe anything in the debit side we write the increasing, and in the credit side we write the decreasing of accounts.
Decrease. We record the effect of a transaction.
Yes, sir. In the
Decrease
decreasing.
to the credit side.
Yes, sir.
Of asset.
Yes, sir.
Of asset. Right. Liability ruling.
Liabilities ruling.
Rules of
Liability.
debit and credit of liabilities.
Liabilities. The rules of debit and credits are opposite to this.
Right.
Opposite to assets and assets accounts. For example, the increased side will be the credit side and decreased side will be the debit side.
In liability.
In liabilities.
In owner's equity.
On equity also same. The increased side of the on equity will be the credit side and
Right.
decrease the side of debit side.
Right. Anything?
Anything revenue and expense is owner equity. They are expense are different from revenue and owner equity. We must write the owner equity. Owner equity write the increase in credit side and decrease in debit side, and revenue are increase in credit side and decrease in debit side, and other expenses are the opposites. They decrease in credit side, increase in debit side.
Okay. Now we will recognize these rules of debit and credit. Here, the asset account, ruling of asset account, increase in any asset account is recorded to the debit side, decrease in asset account is recorded on credit side, increase in liability account is recorded on and decrease in liability debit side, and owner's equity increase towards debit side, credit side, and decrease in owner's equity recorded on debit side. Similarly, revenue accounts increase to the debit side, credit side, debit or credit, credit side, and decrease revenue debit side. For expenses, increase to the debit side, decrease to the credit side. These are the types of account. Owner's equity, expenses, revenue, similarly liability,
And the
assets.
which is the first account.
ये लीजिए, ये रखें यहाँ, इसको भरते रहे हैं. मैं अभी इसको स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ.
Oh my god. Don't laughing.
रिवाइज करते हैं, इसको प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, जस्ट टू रिवाइज, जस्ट टू प्रैक्टिस इन थ्रूआउट द वर्ल्ड. In accountancy, we have only and only 5 accounts. 5 accounts. Accounts. Asset account. Assets account. Asset account. Second, the
Liabilities.
liability account. Third one,
Honor equities.
honor,
equity,
honors,
Equities.
honors equity. Fourth one,
Revenue.
revenue,
the five first.
revenue account,
Last is expenses.
expenses account. Now, transaction. Suppose कि Ali transaction on January 1, Mr. Ali started his business with cash rupees 80,000. Now, before to record this transaction, the effect of transaction in ledger account, first you are to analyze. Analyze says asset, cash increased by rupees 80,000, and similarly owner's equity,
The increased side will be opposite.
owner's equity, Ali capital
80,000.
capital increased, also
On credit side.
increased
Credit side.
by rupees 80,000. Now as per ruling, increase asset account recorded on
Debit
side. So January 1, 80,000 you will record to the debit side,
Yes, sir.
and to the capital or the equity account January 1, 80,000, because increase in owner's equity account is recorded on
Credit side.
credit side. We have record to the credit side,
Yes, sir.
and we have recorded is to the debit side.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, other rulings, paid cash and bought land. So land account will debit.
Yes, sir.
Purchase land for rupees 50,000.
50,000. Yes, sir.
Purchase on January 5 per land for rupees 50,000,
Yes, sir.
and paid cash. So asset land increase,
Yes, sir.
asset land increase
Yes, sir.
by rupees 50,000,
50,000.
and asset cash decreased by rupees
50,000.
50,000.
Yes,
Cash
sir.
will decrease.
Yes, sir.
January 5, 50,000 you will record decrease, and you will record to the land account
Increase on the debit side.
05, 50,000. Rule proved. Rule proved.
Proved.
Suppose, take example, another example. Liability. Bought furniture on credit from Tahir, costing rupees 8,000 on January 8. Now analyze this transaction. Furniture asset.
Yes, sir.
Furniture
Assets.
increase rupees 8,000 and liability account payable Tahir also increased by the same amount 8,000. You will record like here. What is this? Furniture.
Furnitures.
January
At
8,000. First effect. Second effect of cash. Liability. Account payable.
increase on the
Account payable.
credit side.
Ali. Oh, Tahir. January 8.
At
1.
increase on credit side.
8,000. Increase in liability account is recorded on
Credit side, sir. Yes, sir.
Similarly, कोई भी एग्जाम्पल कहें मुझे मैं आपको इनमें से किसी का कहें आप एसेट का एग्जाम्पल लायबिलिटी एग्जाम्पल जो भी कहें
रेवेन्यू का सर
रेवेन्यू
यस सर
services made to customer and received cash rupees 5,000. Services performed and received cash 5,000. Services performed on January